mic. Not sure if this is anyone willing to help me at that end, but... I think I'm gonna do one more piece. I think I better. Alright! Hi there! And we're good at these intros. What a surprise! I can change my music to something fitting. Let's see. I'm gambling! Nah. There we go. A little surprise for you today. Since I'm doing Godot, what better way to help me? Shit, now I gotta go. Now I have to go because I didn't add it. What better way? Fuck. What better way of teaching me how to do Godot than the man himself? And everyone else literally inside the PC. UGT, say to anyone, say hi.
Relic, you're too quiet.
Am I quiet?
Relic, you're too quiet.
Am I quiet?
Relic, we can't
Am I quiet?
You're muted.
Am I quiet?
I can shoot in the fort attack.
Relic, you're.
No, they can't hear me on their end.
Okay, Relic, you're kinda quiet on the stream.
Am I?
Yeah. Raise the volume a bit.
I just need to manually move my microphone closer. Cause it's literally a pair of headphones. I'm poor.
I mean, the entire stream is a bit quiet, but
Fuck.
the music is pretty loud.
Fuck.
So just raise our volumes and then.
Got it. I have to fix.
All of us on stream.
Yeah, you guys are all audible. You guys are just effectively voices in our heads. Don't you agree, UGT?
Yeah.
What if Relic Star was Homer Simpson, and instead of saying fuck, he said no?
all I have to say is that, as I said, like the stream music is too loud while we're too quiet, so maybe we should raise the volume a bit.
Okay. I didn't fix it.
Okay, now that's better. To say the F slur, you give me $5.
What?
I didn't say that. I said you would say.
No.
I didn't say that I would give you $10.
What?
Said it.
What kind of start? What kind of stream starter is this?
Guys, let's go get Relic stream banned.
Alright, everyone, point bomb line. Reach.
I just got blasted by a fort bomb.
Fort by a point bomb.
Okay. Alright.
Fort bomb.
Okay, so
Today I'm learning Godot 3D, and I have UGD here just because I might. There's definitely going to be a lot of time.
And I am learning Godot 3.
Oh my god, I just died in fort attack. I hate this game.
Oh yeah, Noobs is here, and unfortunately he's going to traumatize everyone.
better maybe.
Okay, now I. Should I?
I feel like they're just
Uh-oh.
like you tell me, Relic, but I feel like Oh wait, I need to resend you the thing, right? So it.
What did you just do?
I changed our VC, so. Because they were still talking, and they were gonna be talking about Roblox Fort Attack, and I don't know. Look, I don't want to sound like evil or something, but you know, if I'm gonna get a crash out just by coding, I might as well not get it because of crowd attack in Roblox. So I just know I'm gonna get
This
a
conversation is
talking at the same
legendary.
time.
Alright.
So I might as well. By the way, my thing is gone. Maybe I need to resend the link. Sorry about that. I feel like this. Let me send it to you in DMs. Sorry about the bother. They should do it. Oh wait, it's the same link. Huh.
Well, something happened.
Hey, it's just that my avatar is gone. Maybe you didn't set it up on that scene.
I thought I did. Now it's gone.
By the way, if you could share your screen, that'd be neat, because the stream has a bit of delay, of course. Like,
Yeah.
that's normal.
Well, now, how did you? What did you do? How did you do that? Why did you do that?
Do what?
You're gone.
Another voice channel?
You're gone. You're a voice in my head. You're not canon.
Oh. Can I be heard on the stream?
You
Oh,
can
yeah,
heard.
I
You
can.
can be heard, but your avatar little. I think. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it. I'm just gonna delete it and re-add it. Let's see here. Browser.
So I think the music volume and everything is good now. Maybe just raise the volume of the entire thing a bit.
You just added a browser source.
Well, oh, really?
What did you do? How? It's gone.
Shouldn't be.
Did you
not
close
there?
reactive images?
No, no, no.
Did you close the tab?
No, it's here. Sort of God, it's here.
Okay, well, just gonna have to. You're just gonna be a voice in my head.
No. Like, I made this for a reason. Yeah, it's there. It's quite literally there. You have it. Like,
Do
try it now.
I don't know why it's not working. Am I crazy?
Maybe.
Not maybe. Definitely.
And talk about crazy. I'm gonna be the one going crazy.
So true.
Gonna have one of my iconic crash outs. Dude, I find it so funny that today, the day before, like the day when the stream happens, my cat just stood on the fucking keyboard the entire morning and sent you a message, which is just random gibberish. Like,
Guys,
I'm not
it's
even kidding, that actually happened.
He literally just sent me important lore about Starbot.
No, I did not. Like, if you want to see the message, like, I can quite literally show it. Like,
How is it gone? How is it? What is wrong? What did my computer do? Is it my computer? Is it the?
I don't know, because for me, if I open it on my browser, it's working. Like, it even talks and all that stuff. Is it working on the other scene?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Dude, I made this for something.
Yeah, and it was working like 1 minute ago.
Yeah, I know, but can you try going to the other scene and seeing like why it isn't working?
Oh.
Like maybe check if in the other scene it works. Does it work?
It's not working.
My God. Let me reload the page. Could it be because it's a private VC?
I think you're right.
Okay, let's do something. Would it work if we go on a DM?
We could try.
Okay. Okay, 1 second. There we go.
Oh boy, I got a cool ass call.
Link
Yo,
is the same, it
is
doesn't change.
What? No, I need to re-add it. I deleted it.
Fuck!
The dog,
Iconic
the new dog I brought when I teach it and when I ask it to speak.
What?
Yes, you're back. I've materialized you again.
Wait, really? It works?
Yes.
That's so stupid, though.
I think it
Okay, I
would
think
work
it's just me
regardless.
behind you.
Like I feel like it would have. I feel like it would have worked if you like just like made it like you just made a VC and we just specific to like a role, such as outright private.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Good job.
Yeah, this looks good. We can keep it this way.
All right, time to add variation to this damn music.
Uh-huh.
Repeat all songs.
Just so you know, you should maybe get to streaming your screen eventually.
All right, yeah, I completely forgot about that.
Yeah, that's kind of important. Also, I don't know if you know, but the chat is not updating.
Is it?
No,
Is it
no,
not?
it's not. Maybe you should just get rid of it.
Oh, okay. That was a waste of time. That one, like I was spending like an entire week trying to figure out how do I add chat. I'm just like, it's not gonna work. Oh shit! Wait, those are my brain farted. I completely forgot I needed. Okay, is this gonna work? Can you see?
Chicken. Yeah, of course.
What the hell were you doing?
I don't know.
Okay, in the meantime, I think I can... In the meantime, I'm just gonna put a Brock... I think I can use the space to put on a Brocky video. So, like, it's not just me... So I'm not just... So the stream has a little more variation. Variety. Correct. Variety.
Oh
Fuck.
no, I'm telling you, there's no need for tutorials. I know a bit of the basics, I think.
Okay, well, like...
Layout a
How to teach... Well, you know how to make a gray box?
Yeah.
Okay, well then teach me.
Okay, you click 3D scene. Okay, and you hit the plus sign, and I think there's mesh node or something.
What the hell happened to my music?
You
entire-
click plus.
Music just ended. Oh, now it just continued. Alright then. Check it out. It's a Node
Okay.
3D.
Okay, so you click plus right on the top left to add a node, you know? We've
Yeah.
done this before. Go into 3D, category. Okay, go down.
Collision shape.
Go down. No, that's for collisions.
Oh, okay.
Not necessarily boxes themselves. Okay, you need go down a bit.
Going down.
Cast. No, go down.
Going
keep
down.
going. Okay, then just search mesh. Search up mesh.
Mesh instance.
Mesh instance 3D. Yeah, that one. And you where it says empty on the right in the inspector, I think you do new box mesh. Yeah. I think that's how you do it. Like how you have a box. This does not have collision though. For that you need a collision shape.
Oh my god. Finally. Collision shape 3D. Okay.
And then no, it needs to be okay, so see, to have collisions on a node you need to be like to make floor and all that you need a static body 3D. So add that as a chunk of the main node 3D, not of the mesh instance.
Okay.
Just have to select node 3D and press the plus sign.
That's what do I remove this?
No, you skip it there. It'll be useful.
Okay. So go to Node 3D.
Press plus.
Plus.
And then you search up static body.
Static.
Body. There you go. Yeah. There you have it. Create. Alright, so now you move collision shape into static body 3D. So I have to make collision shape a child of static body 3D.
Hold up, I'm trying to. Need a. Oh, no, wait. Okay, never mind. Okay, wait, repeat.
So you move the collision shape into the static body 3D as to make the collision shape a child of the static body.
Static
No,
body.
the other way around.
So.
Collision shape into static body. Yeah. Okay, and you go to the right where in the inspector it says shape empty and you create a new shape and just do a bomb. And now if you do change the debug, hide the mesh instance as to see the collision shape maybe.
Where do I hide that?
On the node tree. Toggle visibility on the mesh instance. No, the mesh.
Mesh. Oh.
Oh, yep, there it is. It's about the same size, so okay, yeah, just show it. Show the mesh then. Alright, yeah. So now you got a cube which theoretically has collision. So now just change the dimensions of the collision shape and the mesh. Also, you might want to move the mesh as a child of the static body just for organization purposes.
Wait, the mesh where?
Inside the static body, just for organization purposes.
Like that?
Yeah. Yeah, good. So now, just change the dimensions of the collision shape 3D and the mesh. You know how to do that, right? The scaling tool. In the top left. No, not with transform, because that's gonna take a while. On the top left, you can see where it says unsafe. You have move mode, rotate mode, and next to that you have scale mode. You select that, and you transform. Make it big as fuck.
Hi Brick, welcome to the stream.
Make it bigger.
Make it bigger? Okay. Tell me a funny joke.
I don't know, just make it bigger. Dude, just make a big plane. Just something big. A big collision plane. This is where we're gonna test collisions.
Okay.
Just make it big.
I just realized I could have done this whole time.
Yeah, you could have. That would have been too easy, apparently.
Like, I feel like I should mention. I feel like UGT like mentioned it a little bit, but he's basically a ticking time bomb when I'm around, and it's related to Godot.
Yeah, there's gonna be a crash out eventually.
There's gonna be a crash out. It's fine though. It's fine. What's the worst that can happen?
It's all in good fun.
It's all in good fun. Okay, what now?
I'll apologize after. So go to transform. No 3D. And copy the scaling and just paste it into collision shape 3D.
H and everyone.
Yeah.
Aww.
Sorry, yo ADHD gonna have to deal with that a lot here.
Whoa.
Dude, not like that. Like each one being a separate one.
Have you ever have you played Jaded yet?
Nope. Dude,
What?
One second. Relic. There's a problem.
Yeah, what did I do now?
You see the scaling is getting set. You see next to the numbers? Okay, yeah, that, correct.
It should not have been that hard.
Dude, I don't know how to describe things to you. Like, you need to give me
the ever so unreliable relic.
No. Dude, I swear to God, at this point, just open Parsec and let me control your PC, man.
At this point, just develop my game for me.
Yeah, like at that point. Oh,
Yay, I did it!
good job. Okay, now, what do you want? Moving character in a 3D space?
Yeah.
Alright, go into no 3D, like select no 3D.
No, 3D.
No, but select it. Select it. Because
No.
now it's gonna be a child of a collision shape 3D. No,
Create.
cancel. Not create, dude.
Oh.
No, not like that. Control C. Control. Select no 3D, like the root of the scene. And then you click plus. Ask to add a new child node to that. You search up character body. Correct. And you add it. You create it. Good job. Now, as a child of that, add a collision shape, a collision polygon, or whatever it's called.
Collision.
A collision shape.
Collision shape.
And now you create a shape right there on the inspector.
And the
shape property in the inspector, and you do you wanna do capsule.
Capsule is apparently the best.
Yeah, iconic being, you know. Okay, so one set, what we're gonna do to make things easier, you're gonna right click on the character body 3D. You're gonna right click on that. And you're gonna do save branches scene.
Save branches scene.
Yeah. Name it player or something like that.
Player.
No, that's the directory. The name is what it says file.
Oh.
Yeah, the top is the path, the bottom is the name. You don't want to get rid of the .tscn. That's the
Obviously no.
about mention. I mean, you got rid of the dot. Okay, yeah, safe. Good job. You're doing good, Relic. You're doing good. I'm proud.
Okay, what now?
Okay, move the player upwards a bit, because right now they're inside the
Up.
That you're gonna transform it. You gotta select the boost.
Oh, you wanted me to move it physically. Literally.
Yeah.
The thing itself.
Yeah, and the space. No, you can use the move tool on the top left. Dude, this ain't Turbo Warp. You can do things easy.
What?
On the top left, there is a move tool. And you can move it directly.
Oh. I can't see shit. It's so invisible.
Yeah, for some reason it doesn't seem to be there. So just raise it a bit, raise it more. Okay, then go into character body. Like, click the scene icon, like the, you know, the thing they use in movies. Yeah, that one. I don't know what it's called. You click it. Good job. Well, here's the thing. As to test better, add another mesh instance. And just add a capsule that matches the dimensions of this one. As a child of character body 3D.
Okay.
Mesh. Correct. Yeah. Create. And you create a new one. Good job. And you do capsule. Good job. Yeah, just leave it like that.
To do it like
now
that?
you write. Now we need a script. I guess. Wait, hold on. There's a problem in the. Go to the main scene, please. See, there's a problem with collision shape 3D. Can you click on it to see what's the problem? The warning.
A non-uniformly scaled collision shape 3D node will probably not function as expected. Please make it scale uniform and change the size of the shape resource instead.
Okay.
What did I do? How did I fuck up
click
again?
Shape 3D, and click what it says box shape.
Box shape.
Inspector. And change the size to the ones you put in scale, and afterwards. No, in scale. So exit 17.1.
I was about to put 1.71.
17.1. Y is 1 and 14.94. Okay, yeah. Enter. Okay, and now you're gonna do where it says scale. You're gonna set every number to 1.
Oh.
Dude, I'm telling you what you need to do.
Wait, okay, what? Okay, repeat. I wasn't paying
Onto
attention.
transform. Onto transform where it says scale, you're gonna set everything to 1 in scale. You can press the chain to make things easier. Okay. Yep, good job. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now our problem is that our player doesn't have a script, right? Like, how is our player gonna move if we don't tell you how? Yeah, Control S.
Oh.
You can also say that.
Okay.
Name it main scene or something. Okay, so go into
The
player
noob's just right.
and right-click character body 3D.
Okay, right click character body 3D and then attach a script.
Okay, you can get a template if you want, or I can teach you how to do it.
Teach me.
Okay, create. Okay, so there's we're gonna have this thing function. You remember a bit of GD script, right? Even just a bit. Even just a bit. Just functions. Like, you remember
See, the problem is that we kind of didn't do this for a really long time, so everything just slipped out of my mind.
Okay. Let's do this then.
So I'd say I know like a good 5%.
You're gonna type the enter. Enter 2 times.
Enter. Function.
No, not function. It's func.
Func.
Physics _ process.
Physics _ process.
Yeah, that
Delta.
one. Press tab. Yeah. Enter. Also, please just add an enter between character body 3D and func. Like, it's stressing me out. Okay, thank you. So what you do now? No. What are you typing?
Oh, I accidentally pressed O.
Okay, so on line 4, what you're gonna do is first we need gravity, right? That's just logical. We need gravity. So what you're gonna do is velocity.
Velocity.
Dot y. Minus equals. I don't remember if in 3D negative is up. Okay, we'll try. If it does fly into the moon, then we just change the sign of the gravity. And between line 1 and 3, you're gonna do 2 enters. Like two new lines. Between lines... between lines 2 and 3. And in the middle of those, you're gonna select var, like as in variable, but just var, gravity. But separated, space.
Varga? What the fuck?
Virga.
You can't just say that.
But gravity. Colon, you know, colon. Float. Equals. Also that semicolon that you put, you need colon, not semicolon.
No. That's a comma, isn't it?
A colon is this. Dude. This.
Colin. That's still not a colon, isn't it?
Dude, I'd send you in DMs what a colon is.
Oh!
That's what I think it's called.
Okay. Okay, what else?
Okay. Float.
Float.
You just leave some spaces between the colon and the float and gravity. You can do that. Please.
Float.
Space equals
Space equals
1, for example. That's the test.
1.
Okay, and before the var keyword, before that, you're gonna type @export. So @ export. Before var.
Something happened with line 7.
Oh yeah, because we're not done with it.
Oh, okay.
Also,
Well,
so why would you do it like that? Before, I mean, like, in the same line, like line 4.
Do you want me to do in the same
var.
line?
Yeah, of course, like that. And with a space. Good. Okay, and in line 9,
Line 9.
you're gonna do, after minus equals, you're gonna type gravity. What, by 9, I meant 6. I meant 6. They didn't know I had dyslexia.
So, gravity.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's gravity. So now, to do yourself a favor, add a new line between 5 and 6, and
5.
add a comment by doing hashtag, and then typing whatever you want. And do this adds the gravity. Like that. It's pretty basic, right? But it's just to teach you that it's good to use comments like you should use them. So just like chicken chop. Dude! You didn't even time it correctly, bitch. What are you on about? You type chicken jock tea. What is a chicken jock tea? Answer me.
Yay,
Dude.
okay.
Dude, say something.
well, I don't know what you mean. Anywho. So can I go, so
No.
going back?
Don't run it.
Don't run it,
We
don't.
still have a lot to do.
Oh,
Okay. So, that's just gravity. So now, add another comment on line 8. So, add a tabulation on line 8. You know, tab. Tab, please have it on the same level. Thank you. Hashtag. And then you do X and Z axis movement or something like that.
Welcome to the stream, Luke Sab. You've got to be. Wait, hold up. Is my? Oh my god! I don't really like having a 60% keyboard.
What is a 60% keyboard?
It means I don't have arrow keys. They're fused with the WASD, and I have to use a function key to swap between them.
That's what I type so slowly. Oh my god. Okay, that explains the crash outs. Okay. I'm sorry for everything, but I'm not.
I have to break it to you. It's I'm not paying attention half the time, so that actually is still my fault. Okay, so
I mean,
the
yeah, but
axis
you are paying attention.
movement like that.
Okay. Huh? What's X and Z in X axis? What is XN?
Oh.
Remove the XN and the spaces.
Well, I mean, like,
and you can...
does it really matter?
Okay, yeah, just enter. Enter. Dude, you added an extra S, bitch. What are you on about?
Okay.
Okay, enter. Add a new line.
I don't know. I know. I'm just doing something with my music. Hold up.
Dude.
Okay.
You ain't no. When did you change your sprite on the stream, I can't see this on real time. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. It's because I have like.
Assuming
Oh,
you're
shit.
doing like Godot 2 mini and you have things.
Yeah, I have expressions. You're just dead inside.
Because you made me be this way! What are you on about? You're dead inside. Bitch, I'm telling you how to use Genius Speak even though I told you like
Okay.
go.
Number 9. Give me 2 number
Okay.
9. Okay, focus.
Okay.
Focus.
Okay, let's get to it.
Let's get to
So,
it.
okay. Do you want me to teach you about dictionaries?
Yeah.
Okay. So you know how we did export var gravity?
Yeah.
Well, there's many ways we can do this.
Yeah.
Okay? Do you plan for many different playable characters?
Well, see, the thing is, kinda and kinda not.
Okay, then I'm also gonna teach you about singletons. Okay? You know what a singleton is? No, right?
No,
I'm thinking that as no.
not at all.
Okay, so a singleton is a script that is loaded in all of the sprites, or aka the nodes of a Godot project, and it is accessible from anywhere in the project. So it's basically the equivalent of global variables in TurboWorks. You know those?
Yeah.
Because in here, it's kind of just like quote-unquote private. So that's basically what you're gonna do. You're gonna you go onto project on the top left. Whenever you're done writing the script of Story of Undertale, of course.
Okay, so wait, what did you want me to do?
Go onto the top left where it says project.
Project.
Toho project. Yeah, correct. And
Project
type
Toho.
project set.
Project settings. Project settings.
And you see where it says globals on the tabs on the top.
Globals.
Type globals. And on the right it says node name. So you're gonna type with capital first letter of the words I'm gonna say global vars. So capital G and capital V. No space, maybe. No space. Yeah, that's good. And then you click add. Okay, no, don't press create. You go press the file system where it says path, the files, the folder.
Here.
And path. I cannot see your mouse.
I'm on path.
Right of that there is a folder icon. And you're gonna right click and you're gonna add a new folder. Correct, new folder. And you're gonna call it globals. Yeah, okay. Accept. Okay. And then you do open.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay, just name it global underscore vars.
I did something. Because I changed...
Just name it. Dude, just name it global underscore vars. It's not about. No, you have the dot in the beginning. And you do it without capital. Just lowercase. No, it's just lowercase. I mean, it's not mandatory, but it's better for the PC to run it like that. Yeah, like that. Yep. Create. Okay, and you're gonna hit close. And you're gonna go to the bottom on your file system, and you're gonna open the globals folder. And there you're gonna find globalvars.gd, right? No, you're not gonna drag it. You're gonna open it by double clicking. So on line 2, this script, as the name implies, is gonna be for declaring variables which will be accessible to all the sprites. I'm just gonna call them sprites for your convenience, since I'm assuming that's what you're used to in Turbo Warp.
Resident, I can't say. I don't know what to say about that.
I do. He's lying.
All right, number 2.
Okay, so you're gonna create in line 3.
Line 3.
You're gonna type var, and in all caps, I'm gonna type. I mean, not necessarily. That would be for a constant. 1 second. I guess we could make it a constant. Yeah, just type const instead of var.
Oh.
Const. And then you can type stats in all caps.
What?
Stats.
That's?
Stats. Like statistics.
Oh, stats!
Yeah, stats. You're gonna do colon equals. Okay, so basically what colon equals does is it forces the variable you're declaring to be of the type of the value that you're assigning. So if I do colon equals vector2 0 0, that means the variable that I'm declaring will be of type vector2. You catch my drift?
No, I wasn't paying attention.
Okay, so if you have a variable, right? We're declaring a new variable.
Yeah?
If you type colon serves to set the type of a variable. Right? That you get, right?
Yes.
That you understand.
Yes.
Okay, but if you type colon equals, then the type of the variable will be inferred from the value you're passing. So if you set the variable to a value of that is a float, then the variable will be of type float. If you set the variable to a vector2, then the variable will be a vector2, you know?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, okay, good. So you're gonna open this. I don't know what it's called. It's I sent it in DMs. Curly brackets. No? A key.
Okay, but what about that?
You're gonna open it. Like you're gonna where it says equals, you're gonna put something like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then you press enter. Okay, that sign, the opening and closing curly brackets, I don't know what they're called. Those are for dictionaries. Okay, a dictionary in summary is basically something that assigns a value to another value. So say you have a key value, which is, for example, a name. So you have a dictionary which turns a name into a score. Okay, so if your name is, I don't know, Steve, then your score will be of 10. Or if your name is Jeff, then your score will be of, I don't know, 21. You know, it's basically assigning values to other values. And it's good because you don't need to use if statements for it. So, what we're gonna do for this is, the thing is, I want to do this in an optimized way, but the problem is I don't want to bombard you with all the knowledge, because right now I would tell you, oh yeah, make an enum for the stats you're gonna use, and then refer to the stats for the enums. But no, because stats maybe too much to teach you in. I mean, press enter in line 2. line 2. Line 2. Press
Line-
enter. And then enter again. And in line 3, you're gonna type enum.
Yo, no way.
No, not enum. Like as in enumeration. Enum. Aha, but in lowercase. Lowercase. Okay. And open curly brackets.
I'm not gonna lie, every time you say curly brackets, I keep thinking of curly brace.
Then press enter.
I play too much
And
Cave
what
Story.
you're gonna do is you're gonna type 1 second, I'm thinking. I have to check how I do it actually. How do I do it? Okay, yeah. So you're gonna type the stats that you want to be able to control. So for example, gravity or friction or move speed or the friction when you're moving, the friction when you're on the air, all of the stats that you want to be able to treat separately. Okay? So that is what you're gonna type on the enum. One thing that you need to know is that the formatting that you need to follow is gravity, comma, I think it's comma that you need to use. 1 second. Let me check. Yeah, it's comma. So you type gravity, for example.
Gravity,
Comma,
comma.
enter.
Answer?
Enter.
Enter.
No, like the key enter.
Oh.
Press it. And then just type, I don't know, speed. You're gonna list out the stats that you want to be able to control for each quote-unquote character. Okay?
Okay.
And after each of them, there needs to be a comma, unless it's the last one. If it's the last one, then do not put a comma. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back in 5 seconds. I hope the project is not destroyed. Please, BRB.
Well, now I need to figure out what to do now.
Dude, I told you what to do. I didn't even get to take off my headset. I told you what to do. Type the stats that you want to be able to control. Okay? So, like, gravity, speed, friction, things like that. Things. Think. I'll be back in, like, less than 5 minutes. 1 second.
Is he gone? Speed, friction. What else? What else? Oh, that's just Chai DMing me. DMing me and role playing as role playing as Invincible. No, that's just him DMing me again. He knows. He fucking bad. Welcome, Omelet.
Oh, relic, I'm not seeing code.
Yeah, it's
Okay, good job. Good job. Good job. Congrats, man. Good job. Good job. Any other stats that you want?
What? Why are you asking me? I don't know.
Dude, I don't know. Just think
Is
of
this
what you want to control. Okay, let me tell you what I have in this Verdict Chaos, right? It's a lot of things that I have, but I have speed, air control, friction, air friction, move friction, gravity, and jump. Also, speed and acceleration should probably be the same thing, unless with speed you mean a cap speed. Then you should probably indicate it with like cap speed, not just speed.
Something happened.
What happened? Let me see the error message. Oh yeah, that's because we were missing the last. Oh no, it's because you cannot use space. You need to use underscore.
Okay, but
And then jump, and that should be about it.
isn't that gravity?
Gravity and jump being the same thing.
I feel like I'm getting scolded.
No, look, like at this point, it's not even being mad. It's just like I'm genuinely curious. What did you mean by that?
Isn't it? In theory.
No.
Okay.
Like you jump at a speed, and gravity is the speed at which the Earth pulls you. You know.
So can I write it as jump height?
Not necessarily, because it's not the height. It's just the jump force.
Just
that's
the jump.
flying. So just
Okay.
type, just jump. Remember, keep things stupid simple.
Oh wait, there isn't gonna be a jump. Why did I add that?
Wait, there's no jump.
No, this is no, because like the movement part is like it's really I don't see a reason there'd be because like I'm trying to design like an RPG, you know, like there's gonna like the roaming part's gonna be like just like moving around and fucking killing shit in your way before you get into like the RPG.
A jump would be useful to kill shit on your way.
That depends. Should I be unique?
I mean, it's not about being unique. It's about if an enemy tries to stab me and I jump to avoid it, then that feels satisfactory. Whereas if I have to just go back because I cannot jump, that may feel unresponsive.
What if it was like a roll?
Sure. I'll buy it.
A
I'll buy
dodge roll.
that. Yeah, I'll buy that. I'll buy that. Dude, just keep it at dodge. Keep things short, because then you're gonna try to remember the names and you won't be able to. Okay,
I feel like
for
you
the last item, you don't need a comma.
Okay.
Okay, so now you see stats. What we're gonna do with stats is the following.
Yeah.
You said you wanted there to be different characters in the game, right?
Yeah.
Like, you want to be able to have that possibility, and you want the different characters to have different stats, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, dude, I'm not even scolding you at this point. Why is your avatar crying?
Shut up.
No, I'm
It's
not
because
shutting up. You're making it seem like I'm
Yeah, well, like, see,
you,
the
man.
thing is, it's just because like my keybinds are literally in the letters that I used to type. So I need a number pad, dude.
Fucking dude. Fuck, why don't you have that?
Because I'm poor. I'm poor. Wrong one.
Well, we better finish this game and make you rich soon.
Let's make fucking shit. Alright, so stats, what do I do?
Okay, so we're gonna make this compatible for different characters, right? So that means that we're gonna have a dictionary inside of a dictionary.
Oh wait, before I mention this, like how, like you know how like if we're doing this, I feel like there'd be like two different types of stats, because like there'd be like a version for like the character on the overworld, you know, the roaming before like you encounter an enemy attack, and then like trigger a battle, and then the actual stats of like the character, you know what I'm talking.
Yeah, so they move slower in the overworld and faster in battle, you mean?
And like as I was bouncing, I was realizing that like have you ever seen a Metaphor Refantasio gameplay?
No.
No, okay. Basically, during like overworld gameplay, you know, before battle, like the hack and slash gimmick, where it's like the main character is like being controlled and the party members are just following. But like during like when you're actually attacking enemies, I think like the party will actually follow and follow and start attacking it. Sometimes like it works, but then half the time they're not around. But you get what I'm saying, right?
Kinda.
Would that affect? Would that still need the different stats? I'm over explaining.
So what you mean is that you want different stats for? I mean, I guess what we can do is just change the ID of the entity. So the stats are gonna work with each entity having an ID, and depending on that ID, they're gonna select their corresponding stat from this dictionary. So what we can do is we just change the ID of the entity to be character battle instead of just character.
Okay. What do we fill in stats?
Okay. So there's gonna be an array. There's gonna be a dictionary inside a dictionary.
Inside a
Okay.
dictionary.
Okay. Let me send you an example. Get it in.
There's nothing new.
Okay. So, for example, as I sent. Oh fuck! I sent it incorrectly. Fuck. Okay. Oh, so this is the one. So you see how there we have const stats, right? And we got stel. One sec, let me delete the old one. We got stel, and then stel. Okay, so let me explain this about dictionaries. First you type the first value, so the key value, and then you type colon, and then the value you want to make correspond to that. So if you want to make the number 1 be corresponded to, you type 1 colon 2. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so look, if we want to make the name Jerry be corresponded with the number 1, then we type Jerry colon 1, like this, followed by a comma, so it works with the next item. Okay, that you understand, right?
Right.
The one I sent on the bottom of the messages.
Yeah.
That. So that's how we make a key be corresponded to value. So a dictionary is formed by keys and values, which are made corresponding to those keys.
Mm-hmm.
So if we have a key Jerry which want to make corresponding value 1, then you type Jerry between quotation marks, because that's how you do a string. Colon, because that's the sign that makes it correspond, the other one. And then 1, because that's the value we want to make it equal, you know?
Okay, so...
Does that make sense? No, but I'm just telling you this because what follows is more complex. Because we're making, if you notice on the dictionary that I sent you, we're having a string of style, colon, being corresponded another dictionary. So you see we have style, which is the string, and colon is making it be corresponded with another dictionary. You see that? Hello?
Hello.
Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Do you understand that?
Yeah. Okay, but what do I write in fucking stats?
So you type the name of the character you want to make.
Okay.
Between quotation marks. MC, that's what you're gonna call it?
I haven't even. See, the thing is, I'm not telling you what this thing is gonna be for. You know what it is, but stream doesn't. So, yeah.
True. This is for us for the chaos.
Oh my god, the upcoming Azverty Chaos spinoff is gonna be completely shit because it's me waking it. Okay, so I did the quotation. What now?
Okay. So what you're gonna do is colon.
Colin.
Yeah, good job. And then you do curly brackets or whatever they're called. Good job. And now you type. Remember what we typed? Yes. You go one by one. No, not like that. You're missing an indentation.
Where?
Okay. Delete what you pasted.
Okay.
Tap twice. Okay, good. Yeah, good. So now what you're gonna do? No, actually, you just need one tab. No, two tabs actually. Like, yeah, no. Get rid of the last one. So why do you have that much space between the first tab and? Okay, is that normal? Yeah. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna type gravity colon.
Yeah.
And then make it correspond the number you want it to be. So for example, let's try with 2.
What can I make this like 20?
You're missing a comma.
What? Where?
After 2.
Oh.
You gotta do it after all of them except the last one.
Acceleration.
And then just whatever you want the acceleration to be.
That's stupid.
Also, friction should be a number between 0 and 1. 1 means no friction, 0 means a lot. And basically, 0 means unable to move, 1 means you won't get... No, 0 means like literally you cannot move. They do like 0.5 or something. So acceleration and cap speed might be a bit too high. I'd set cap speed to like 3 and acceleration to 0.5. And even that might be a bit too high. But sure, and dodge to like, what, 10?
Because like the dodge roll is just gonna be like making the character move like it's like a dash.
Yeah, but I don't know about the values in this. But we'll move with this, okay?
Okay.
That's good. It works, doesn't give you any bugs, then let's keep going.
Now what?
Go with your body 3D. And player. Okay, see the export variable gravity? We're gonna get rid of that.
Why did we add it to begin with?
So I didn't plan to teach you all this.
Okay, well not now.
Okay, not velocity. I meant export export var gravity.
Can I dump it?
No. Do export vars gravity. Line 3 deleted. No. Line 3.
Line 3.
Deleted. Yeah, deleted. Thank you. Delete. Okay. Go into physics process, and on line 7, you're gonna press tab, and then you're gonna type global vars with the capital G and capital V. Oh, or yeah, just global vars, because you probably didn't type it as I told you, and just like that.
I feel like I'm getting. I feel like I'm getting scolded for this.
Shut up. Dot.
Stats.
Open brackets, normal brackets.
Open brackets.
No, square brackets, like normal brackets. Those are not okay. Yeah, and inside of those type ID. No, but no need for the space. You can type it in the same line. And type ID. And then add another bracket outside the bracket that you're in. To the right, I said outside.
Oh.
Like, yeah, there, good. Open another one, and go to global vars for a second. Copy the enum we have from 3 to 9. Copy that. And then you're gonna paste it on line 3. Aha. And you're gonna type on line 13, you're gonna type gravity. Okay, and then on line 10.
Oh wait, I didn't write ID right.
No. Type ID as it was.
Oh, okay.
And then on line 10.
On line 10.
You're gonna type var. ID. Colon string with a capital S. And before var, you type at export.
We write what?
At export, like at symbol,
Okay.
like at gmail.com. We just at export.
Like that? Did I do it?
Yeah, good. So see, on the right, you have an ID property on player.gd. Right?
Yeah.
Well, you can set that to the name MC in capital. Because that's what you named it.
Yeah.
On the... Well, do that.
What?
To the right, where it says ID.
ID.
and player.gd. You can click on there and type MC. No. On the right of the screen in the inspector. Okay, good. Enter.
What now?
Okay, that's gravity. Now let's get to acceleration. We're gonna type velocity.x. Oh, actually, before that, do var and get rid of velocity, like just and x altogether. Just keep var. Okay, good. And you're gonna do var input colon vector2 the vector2 is typed together and with a capital V. Yeah, like that. You can press tab for it to correct it. Okay. Equals input with a capital I.
Input. In.
Dude. Okay. Dot. Get axis.
Get x.
Get underscore axis.
Wait, did you want a space between input?
What? Sorry.
Did you want a space between input and get?
I want a dot. Dot.
What now?
And then you do a parentheses to call the function. Okay. Now I'm gonna teach you about custom inputs. So go into project.
Rod.
On the top left. We're gonna, and you go where it says input map. We're gonna add our own gameplay actions. So see where it says add new action?
Yeah.
Well, type left. Add. Right. Up. And down. That should do for now. Close. No, where it said don't close. You see the plus signs at the right of each one? Okay, just type, like, press left. Or your equivalent to left, it can be A, just the key you want. This is like mapping your controls.
Now I can close?
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna type open quotation marks. Then you're gonna type left and then right.
In the same quotation?
No, you're gonna do left, and outside the quotations, you're gonna do comma, quotations. Correct. Good job. But now, what you're gonna do is from input to the end. Get rid of the parentheses. No. Like that. From input to the last parentheses, you're gonna add another parentheses. So closing and opening. No, one the beginning, the closing at the end, and the beginning at before input. Correct. Open. Yeah, you're missing the closing. No, at the end. The closing is at the end. Good.
Okay, well now,
Yeah.
what now?
So what you're gonna do is before the parentheses that we just made, you're gonna type vector 2.
It's right there.
No, another one.
Okay,
Before the
right here?
parentheses. Before.
Right here?
Uh-huh. So what we're making is we're constructing a vector 2 with the x value and the set value that we're gonna be moving. So what you're gonna do is, you see between the last and second to last parentheses?
Yeah.
Well, there, you're gonna type a comma. No, between the last and second to last, between them.
Yeah.
Okay, and now you're gonna do input dot get access up
Input.
down.
Dot
Input
get-
needs to be capital I, because we're accessing the class input, and input with a capital I is the class. Then input dot get access. Dot basically means to access a class's or a node's properties. You know,
Like
so it's
this?
kind of like this. No, no, I'm telling you, get access. Axis.
Oh, axis. Okay, now what? Just up and
Down.
like this?
Maybe the other way around. I think it's down left. Left.
Wait, what?
Left. No, down, up. Sorry.
Like this?
Yep. Okay, so now, add a new line.
Adding a new line.
That is velocity.
What?
Velocity.
Velocity.
Dot x plus equals dot velocity dot x. Because we're accessing the x component of velocity, which is a vector 2.
Velocity, what?
Dot x.
Oh, dot x. And shift.
Then you do plus equals input dot x. No, but this time is lowercase, because it's the var input that we just declared on the line before,
Okay.
right? And then you do input dot x times global vars dot stats open brackets ID open brackets ID, close brackets. That's parentheses. ID. And then outside of those brackets, create new brackets. And do acceleration. You didn't type it, you didn't spell it correctly.
What?
It's acceleration, not acceleration. You know? Yeah, that acceleration. You have tab right there. Okay. And you do the same for set. So you do velocity dot set on the next line.
I'm lazy.
Velocity dot set equals input dot y. Because input has two components. X is for X and Y is for Z. That's because we defined it like that. And everything else stays the same.
Okay.
Also, after vector 2 on input.getAxis left right, like at the end of line 17, type dot normalized. Like that. Good. And then, after line 19, add a new line. Velocity.x times equals global vars.stats id
Wait, global vars ID.
global vars.stats id. Yeah, same thing, but instead of acceleration, it's gonna be friction.
Just
Yeah,
like this?
and then you do the same for set. So velocity.set times equals velocity.
Wait, so this is just Z is just basically. Why am I saying it like that? You're making me weird.
Set is just
You're just
Just
making me.
equal to
You're
X.
you're making me weird. Just like this.
Yep, just like that. Okay, now after line 21, we're almost done with the basics.
Okay.
There it says 22. You're gonna do move underscore and underscore slide.
Move move underscore and slide.
Yeah, and slide. Yeah, move and slide. That's what's gonna make it actually move. Okay, we'll now go to the main scene. After saving, of course. Okay, go to main scene. Go to the 3D view. And add a camera node.
On the main one or what?
Whatever, you can have it as a child of the player, but I feel like it would be... cameras I don't know shit about and they're complicated though, so... We'll see what we do with that, because you need to use quaternions and shit like that, and I don't even know what it does.
Okay.
Okay, so you see the camera?
Yeah.
Or basically move it until you can see the player in the preview. The other way around. Yeah, good. Move it a bit further away so we can test better. Even further. Even more. Okay, that's good. Control S. And press the play button. No, not that one. The other one. And select currency. Yeah, select currency.
Nothing happened.
If you press the arrow keys, it should.
Oh, it's moving, but. Dude, I gotta show this. Hold up. This is horrible. I think I fucked up something.
Dude, are you pressing anything?
Yeah, I'm look, I think I fucked something up.
Okay, can you? Oh, okay, I know what's up. Press X.
What? Oh wait, you wanted me to
X.
actually close it.
Yeah. Okay, go to character body 3D.
Character body 2D.
Script, player. Script. Okay, so you see where we do global stats, gravity? So we didn't add it to the velocity. On line 15.
Line 15.
It needs to be velocity dot y plus equals. or minus equals, actually.
Wait, what?
Beginning of line 15 before global bars dot stats
Mhm.
gravity. You do velocity dot y plus minus equals. Minus equals. Okay, try that. And move it. Change the
Moving.
stats.
It's moving.
Yeah, it's moving slowly because you set the friction too low. Maybe set it to 0.7 and increase the velocity just a bit.
Hold on, gotta fix the music again. What?
Dude!
Okay. So, what do you want me to like? So
Global variables and go into the stats. And
Yeah.
on the stats, increase the friction to up to like 0.8 and increase the speed a bit. And not the speed, the acceleration. Acceleration increase it to 1 and friction to 0.8. Okay, try it out. Alright.
it's more. Hold up. Fuck. It's not showing on stream properly, but it's working. Let me. I have to redo that. Fuck. Wait, do I actually have 2 debugs opened? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I accidentally didn't realize I had the... Okay, I fixed that. Okay. Check it out, UGT, but it's inverted.
What is inverted exactly?
The up and down.
Well, change it up. Like, put up where down is and put down where up is. In the code, you remember when we did get access, blah 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 blah, something, up down shit. We'll change it up. Make up down and down up. In the code, in the player script.
Okay, so project settings.
No, not there. Player script.
Player script.
And then when it says down and up, when it says down, do up, and when it says up, do down. And that should do. No, actually, it's because of the camera.
No, it's working.
I mean, it's working, but it's only working because we inverted it to work with the camera. But in reality, we're going in the right direction. It's just that we set the camera to the opposite side, so it seemed like we were moving on the opposite direction.
Oh.
So maybe just put it as it was before, so down, up, and change the camera's position. At least for testing. Well, this is the most simple character controller in 3D. This is the furthest I've gotten with 3D, because with 2D, you know, I've done a lot of stuff. I've gotten really far, I think, into development. I mean, not really far, but we got the tools to start making the game now.
Yeah.
But with 3D, I haven't even like messed around. I have just messed around with this, but I have no idea how cameras work. I've seen people say you need to use quaternions, but I don't even know what a quaternion is. I think they're used for rotations in 3D space.
Wait, so what do I do about the camera?
About the camera, what about it?
Well, you said it's inverted.
Okay, yeah, it's inverted. So what you do is, you move it to the other way where the player is. You move it so if it's in that side, yeah, rotate it to the opposite side. Yeah, good. Good job. Try it now. Yeah, I think rotations with mouse are difficult, or just with the camera in general. I don't know what a concern it is. I should probably look into it, but I'm kind of late. I'm tired. Look into it if you want.
Oh well, now it's the left and right.
Oh, jeez. Camera speed, what it should be, man. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, it's definitely something with that. Cause
Can't we just like invert the controls and just deal with it?
no, because that's just stupid. And whenever we need to make the player move in relation to
Dolby
the camera,
Fox would have been
that's gonna
fine
be
with
pain.
it. What do you want me to do?
Okay, so 1 second. Thank you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna so you see the I can't believe I got into this. Go into Godot, please, because I can't see correctly. And zoom in.
Wait, what? Okay, zooming in.
Just try moving the camera to different places, man. Like, I don't even know what to tell you.
So what do you want me to do?
Move it different places, like rotate it around and see what works. Cause at this point, like I'm tired. Like I know that it is because of the camera and the controls are well done, but what should I tell you? Like I feel like the problem is that like the position should be go to the camera's transform. And set it X and set to a negative number. So like -10. Yeah. -20 and minus that's good. -10 and -10. Okay. How about that?
What's facing away?
We'll turn it to look to it. Not sure if it will work, but okay, try it out.
Still inverted.
Working. Inverted. We'll do it with a positive number. Like, dude, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, I will do it myself, but at this point, I'm not even gonna parse like your PC. Like that's. Not basics working. You can look up a camera tutorial because I've never messed with that. Like, I can tell you the basics of movement, but that's about it.
Oh, okay. I genuinely think I should just invert the controls.
Dude, no. Like that's gonna. I'm telling you, that is not gonna help you at all. It's gonna come back to bite you in the knees later. Like it's gonna come back to kill you. And it's gonna be when you least expect it. At this point, I just recommend watching a camera tutorial or something.
Wow, it's almost as if almost as if I was going to this whole time.
Almost as if what?
I don't fucking know anymore. Yippee! But what now?
You try watching a camera tutorial.
Sure. You away. Gray box, playing the game, character controller, 3D physics, graphics, assets, standard materials, teamwork, flow and collision, place gray box, animated characters, environment, lighting, tone, camera. Bracky, tell me you made something
Here,
with the camera.
but I've just placed one right here overlooking our entire scene so you can clearly see what's going on. Here we can set the projection. So if you're making an isometric game, we can change from perspective to orthogonal and adjust the size to fit. In perspective mode, we can also adjust the field of view. But to get more control over the camera, we use camera attributes. We can either set some here or go into the world environment and add camera attributes here instead. So let's set a new camera attributes practical. Here we can adjust the exposure or enable auto exposure. This is great if you have a dynamically moving camera, such as in a first-person game, and you want the camera to auto-expose based on what it's currently looking at. For example, if the player goes from broad daylight into a dark cave. This can also be seen in the scene view, so if I fly into a dark room now, I'm going to put on the ceiling. Increasing the speed allows us to see this more clearly. We can see that the camera is going to compensate when I look in shadowy areas, and if I look into the sun here, it's going to quickly expose to the right level. With scale, we adjust the exposure intensity, and with minimum and maximum sensitivity, we can limit how far we compensate for dark and bright areas. I'll disable it for now. And finally, you might want to adjust render quality. To do this, we go Project, Project Settings, and from here the settings are a bit spread out, but remember you can always search at the top. For anti-aliasing, we go Rendering, Anti-aliasing. I'll enable multi-sample anti-aliasing. For settings related to environment, we go Rendering, Environment. 3D physics works much the same.
Okay. Let me see if I can find anything online.
I mean, there's also the Phantom Camera add-on. You might have better chances of finding something about that. It's basically the equivalent to Unity's Cinemachine.
Could it be that the player model doesn't take into account the camera?
I mean, yeah, but that's another thing. Like, we haven't made it so it takes the camera into account because we haven't made the camera rotate yet, so I didn't think it was necessary.
Put the input DR pretty easily. Either change the actions or make it negative. Model's probably facing front, so your lookout needs to account for that. The third optional parameter is a true or false that will flip them around.
What are you talking about?
I'm looking at controls. I'm looking at like a thread on the Godot forums. You can flip the input DR pretty easily. Either change the actions or make it negative. The model is probably facing model front. Do you understand what that is? Because I kind of don't. God, I love Godot. Well, I'm fucking stumped. UGT, have any ideas?
Oh, watch camera tutorials, dude. What should I tell you?
I don't really know.
Dude, I told you, watch camera tutorials. I don't know. I don't got the knowledge because I've never made a camera on Godot like 3D.
Do you know what input do you know what it's talking about when it says facing?
I need a thread.
Okay, I'll send you the thread. And I'm trying to look at brackets two links up.
You jump.
Get back here. Been a lot on stream. Silly Discord.
It has well, like the thing is that it's not comparable to your
Fuck.
because here they're doing something with the camera and rotating, but we don't have that. So watch camera tutorials.
Okay.
Search up Godot 3D camera tutorial. And look at that. And you'll learn
Godot 3D camera.
Do your cameras clip through walls or have janky movement? Cameras are present in every game, and having a good one can make a big difference. So here's how you can make a good third-person camera that has smooth movement and collision detection. Here is our scene. We are going to be making a camera that will follow the player and orbit around it with the movement of the mouse. So let's open our player scene and take a look inside. The player scene have just a movement script and a collision shape. We'll be taking a look at that later. To make our camera able to detect collisions is very simple. We are going to add a new node and select the type Spring Arm 3D. Then we are going to add our camera 3D as a child of that. Select the Spring Arm 3D and bring its position up so the camera is focusing on the player's head.
Delete
You
the.
watching that tutorial or what?
Yeah, I'm watching a tutorial. You can't hear it, right?
No.
No. Okay.
I haven't checked if the stream can though. Let me check. Oh yeah, the stream can hear it, but I think that's
I
fine.
paused it.
The Spring Arm
Oh,
3D
yeah,
node is a very
but
useful
it
one.
has to lay, you know.
What is the spring arm? You know what that is?
It's basically just for rotating around a pivot, I think.
Okay. Child node, and then just add the camera.
It shoots a raycast along its blue, positive z-axis, and put all of its children's positions where it has hit something, or at the end of its length, the raycast distance. That's why we put our camera pointing backwards, so when the spring arm moves it, it will still be pointing.
Okay, so
at the player. We can change the collision layer to define where it's going to hit, or even use a shape instead of a ray to look for collisions. Now let's go and make our camera rotate. Select the spring arm node and create a new script. Let's give it a name, camera spring arm, and press create. We can create a very simple orbiting camera like this. Inside the ready function, we call input.setMouseMode to change the mouse mode to mouse mode capture. This will make your mouse invisible and lock it to the screen. And inside the unhandled input, we are going to be use the input event mouse motions event.relative variable that tells us how much the mouse moved between frames.
Would I put
And
the
use that to
spring
decrement
arm
our
script with the just by itself?
What, sorry?
It says to make like a make a script to the spring arm. Do I just leave it alone or put it in the folder with some of the others?
See, that doesn't matter really. That's just for organization purposes. Depends
Okay.
on what you prefer.
nodes rotations Y and X angles. We also multiply it with the export variable mouse sensibility to adjust the speed. And let's not forget to adjust the spring length, the camera distance, to about 6 meters. And just like that, we get a simple orbiting camera with collisions. We can move our mouse to rotate the camera, and it won't clip through objects. But the problem we have now is that the camera won't stop rotating if you keep moving the mouse, which is not ideal. So let's fix that, which is not ideal. Camera won't simple orbit sensibility. Increment our nodes rotations Y and X angle captured. This will make
Okay. Mouse mode captured. UGT, talk to me. This is.
Hello.
Oh, do something funny or something. I don't fucking know. Entertain the stream while I type.
What, sorry?
Like, make something funny for the stream while I type.
Okay, do you give me screen sharing permissions?
Give me a sec.
Is that a yes?
Well, are you gonna stream? Because I have to pop it out.
Oh no, it's leaking. Oh no, my Sphere of Chaos is leaking.
Come
Oh
on.
no.
It's still not
stop it.
streaming! Wait, don't do the bit yet!
I'm streaming, bitch. I am quite literally streaming. What are you on about? Now I'm not.
Well, the bit's over because I didn't put it on stream.
Okay, but now I am. Is it there?
Give me a sec. Gotta make it.
Dude.
Fuck.
You tell me.
Holy shit. Has Verdi Chaos leak on the on the Relic Star
Oh no!
channel.
Oh no, it's leaking! Oh no, someone's stopping! Oh no! Oh no! Someone
It's
stop
funny
them.
how people are not expecting their new source of Asverted Chaos from my channel, and that's funny.
Yeah, that's the point. Oh no! It's leaking! Oh no! Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Wait.
Relic, you do know it's not looking good on the stream, right?
Fuck!
It
Oh.
makes it even funnier.
It never
makes it even
showed!
funnier.
That's even funnier! It never showed! Oh, that joke's writing in of itself. Fuck. Oh, I fucked the leak. I fucked the
Even
leak.
better.
Well, I think the funniest part is that the best you got to show was in the fucking preview thing.
What was on the preview?
Like I think just the first just like the beginning part. So that's about it.
Oh my god, dude.
We're just gonna keep on.
It's real time, dude. That makes it even funnier.
Well, at least now you can at least now you can confirm that you can rely on me to leak shit because I can't do it because I'm gonna ruin it.
I mean, you saved us for the chaos, thank you. But I rely on someone to save me.
Mouse motion.
What do you mean no one in chat said anything about my awesomeness for the Chaos League? Man, you're boring as fuck.
Oh, I completely forgot about them. There we go. Something happened here. Standalone lambadas cannot be accessed.
What?
Oh, it's because it's not finished. Event dot relative dot y. Okay, no, it's still not working.
Let me look it up.
It wants me to assign it to a variable.
Yeah, one sec. Can you, one second. Move for a second, okay, thank you. Let me look it up.
Was invisible and lock it.
I think UGT. I think that the concurrent viewers peaked during the Asverted Chaos leak.
You sure?
We got like it went up to 8. Worth it,
And then they left.
dude. I'm so popular.
Brother, can you copy and paste the code in DMs?
Okay.
Like entirely from.
Oh, the
line
entire
9
code?
to 13. No. Line 9 to 13. 9 to 13.
9 to 13.
Paste it. Oh, it's because you have an indentation. You have an extra one. Func and 9. Func should be without an indentation. It should just be in the class body.
You
Yep.
gotta be shit.
And no, it's as easy as that, man. We're trying to put a function inside another function.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
Because then you were declaring a new variable, and you needed to assign it to a variable to do that. To declare a function inside another function. So just get rid of that extra indent you have in all of those. Same for the if. Same for the if. Same for the if. Good job.
The screen. And inside the
Okay, time to test it. Oh.
I mean, it sort of works. Try moving.
I don't think I can show this on stream. This is like.
Try moving. Moving.
I can't close the program.
Oh, press escape. Escape. Alt F4 then. Shit is not that hard. Probably want to modify the spring arm's length. So
Spring.
it's
How?
the spring length.
Where?
Property inspector. Instead of one type like 3 or 4. In the inspector. No. In spring length. That is the collision mask. Spring length. Spring length.
Oh.
Do 4. Enter. Run. Oh, it works. Now we just gotta make the player adapt to the camera, right? Right, Relic?
What?
Now we just gotta make the player's direction adapt to the camera rotation. Correct?
Yeah.
handle the input. We are going to be use the input event mouse motions
Yes,
event.relative variable
I think.
that tells us how much the mouse moved
Okay,
between
so what
frames.
we're gonna do
And use
is, since the rotation is being applied to the... Does the tutorial have any info on that? Not really, right?
Okay, so I also need to fix the I also need to fix the because we invert the left and right are inverted.
Your camera for a second. Like, I am being so fucking serious. No, don't you close it, bitch. Try it. I'm being serious. You rotated 180 degrees and it is fixed. What are you fucking on about?
No.
We need to change it.
No. This is the right. This is like facing the right direction, and it's inverted.
It
Like
is clearly not. Because it is inverted.
No, okay. So if my W key is going correctly up, I'm pressing up to go up, and it's going up right now. The same goes for the A. Should be A's not taking me left. It's taking me right.
Well, rotate to the other way. Rotate 180 degrees. Okay,
That should not
test
be.
it out.
That should not. It.
Hold
Okay,
on,
how-
let me see the code.
Okay, how do I? Okay. Now, how do we make it so like it locks into like the based on the camera?
I'm getting some ideas. So we basically get the rotation of it, convert it into a vector, and depending on that vector, we rotate the input based on that or something.
The one.
Okay, so character body 3D. Go to character body 3D.
Something playing on my phone. Holy shit! Wake up, get up, and get out! There's been playing on my phone the whole time. I paused it. Danny, what were you talking about?
Check if the movement is inverted in the player. I'm gonna do some research. It shouldn't be though. Like I'm telling you. Sure.
You're right. It's because we didn't. It's because remember when we inverted. Remember when we inverted up and down? Okay.
Is it working now?
It's working now. Okay, well, how make player stick camera?
Okay, so what you do? 1 second. It's fairly easy actually. So you see input. So you do between line 18 and 17.
18, 17.
You add a new line. No, that is not between them. That is after them.
Oh, you wanted 17 and 18. I don't know why I heard you say 9. I thought you said 18 and 19.
Okay, so you do input equals. No, but the lowercase. This is the variable. Equal input dot.
Wait, it's capitalized this time, isn't it?
No, it's lowercase.
Fuck.
Input dot rotate or rotated.
Rotated.
Okay, and now we're gonna put a reference to the camera at the top. So you see the spring arm node, right?
Spring arm.
On the left, you see spring arm 3D.
Yes.
And you see line number 2. Okay.
Yes.
You're gonna click spring arm 2D, and while pressing control, you're gonna drag it onto line 2. No, not the code. The node. Aha. You're gonna drag it onto line 2 while pressing control. And then you're gonna drop it. Okay, so You're gonna try rotate it. Spring underscore arm underscore. Yeah, spring underscore arm. That one. Top one, press tab. Dot. Inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses. Why the tab? Why the tab? Get rid of the tab. Put it inside the parentheses. Like a dot. Dot. Rotation. Roation? What is roation?
Okay, well, what now?
Okay. Good. Try it out.
Well, no, I can't. It says there's an error.
Let me see. Let me see. One second. One second. Dot rotation dot set.
You've got to be. Is that it?
Try it out. Can you move it all? Assuming that's a no.
I did something.
Yeah, of course. You type www in the class body.
Yeah, guess why?
Why?
Fucking 60%.
60% what?
60% keyboard. I told you.
Oh, okay. Try moving.
It's not doing anything. It did nothing. The code doesn't work whatsoever. It did nothing. Nothing was changed.
Can you see the code again? Okay, 1 second. Friction, velocity. Try rotation dot x. Dude, you did it again.
You fucking hate this. Oh,
Get a controller, man.
I hate this.
and try again. Does it work?
No.
You sure?
I'm currently pressing... I'm at the single, and I'm currently pressing S.
That to decrement our node's rotations y and x angles. We also multiply it with the export variable mouse sensibility to adjust the speed. And let's not forget to adjust the spring length, the camera distance, to about 6 meters. And just like that, we get a simple orbiting camera with collisions. We can move our mouse to rotate the camera, and it won't clip through objects. But the problem we have now is that the camera won't stop rotating if you keep moving the mouse, which is not ideal. So let's fix that. To fix the rotation, we just need to clamp the angle values. We are going to clamp the X rotation, the vertical motion, between -90 degrees for the top
Okay, try adding this and this.
Where do I put it?
Input equals input rotated. So wait 1 second. Instead of input there, 1 second. Instead of input 2. 1 sec. Do add these two. Wait 1 second. Instead of, oh my god, 1 second. Wait 1 sec. Let me send it in a cleaner way. 1 second.
Cherry literally pinged me in the server and said, "Gifting 500 bits took 5 minutes to make a plane. My quote-unquote star washed."
Okay, sent it. That is gonna take up from line 20 to line 22. Okay, so replace from line 20 to line 22, you delete those. And you're gonna select all that you pasted. And dude, what? No, what are you doing? Stop! Control set. Dude, go slowly. Go slowly. First, from line 20 to line 22, you get rid of that. Delete. Yeah, delete it. No, but don't paste it. First delete it and then paste it. Okay. Now, paste it. Okay. And see how it's missing some indentation. Do control... no. Okay. Select from line 29 to line 25 and do tab once you've selected everything. Or you could go one by one and ignore completely what I've said, but sure. No, that's line 29 to 32. Line 29 to 25. No,
It's going backwards!
Okay. Yes. 25 included. But you can just tap that manually. Pose. Okay. And see what it says. Input X and input Y.
It says Z.
Oh, yeah. What are you on about?
It says Z.
Input X 0, input Y. Lines 21, 22, and 23.
Oh, okay.
Remove the spaces and add tabs. Because I added spaces because I couldn't do tabs in this.
Dumbass.
And then do tab. Same for the others. For the other one. And same for the 0. Same for the 0. No. You're not listening. Okay. Tab. Okay, and now it's global vars with a lowercase v because you didn't name it as I told you.
Stupid.
Okay, and same. The one below. Okay. Good. Now. Try it out.
Oh, right, yeah, I'm supposed to try it out.
Yeah. It ain't gonna test itself, right? Is it working?
Yes. Why is it so fucking slow now?
Oh, check.
Was it always this slow?
No.
Hashtag bring relic fart back.
Okay. So, see where it says input there y dot y equals 0.
But dot y equals 0, yeah, what about it?
You have var input there, blah blah blah, 0 input x, input y, input there, spring arm.
What do you want me to do?
A second. I'm looking. Okay, so input,
Input?
don't type anything, don't type anything.
Oh.
Input is normalized, right?
Yeah.
Okay, try getting rid of the normalized in that. Just the normalized and the dot. Get rid of that. Play.
Now what?
Play.
Oh my god. Okay. Nothing changed.
And you look straight on. So I think the problem is that when you look straight on, you move faster, and when you don't, you move slower.
Check out this cool backflip.
Oh yeah. Can I see the code again?
Of what code? Okay.
Just the entirety of it. One sec. Can you move out the
Okay, fine.
mouse? Don't okay find me.
Okay, if you were saying anything, I'm just noticing it now. What happened?
Nothing really.
Oh, okay. Are you still figuring out that dir?
Yeah, I'm figuring out.
Hold up, Dearest. So, give me like a good sec. UGT entertain the stream while I'm doing something right now.
I'm killing myself. Dani, Mike, si me estáis escuchando, salvadme, por favor, ayuda, ayuda, por favor. Sacadme. Se fue. Nico, socorro. Nico, ayuda. Requiero auxilio.
And we're back. We're back in based. Hi, bestie.
Hello.
Did you fix it? Did you figure it out?
I'm not sure because I'm looking it up and it says right that I need to flatten the Y after transforming it into 3D, but that's literally what we are doing.
Could it be something I did?
Dude, I don't know. If it did, okay, try normalizing it again. The impedir equals impedir.normalized. Okay, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
At the end of the block, do print at line 33. Do print.
Oh.
Print. No, at line 33. 33. Print. Parentheses. Input underscore there. Input there. Underscore, that's a dot. Try it out and look at the console. Okay. Try moving. Press a key. Okay, rotate your camera as you do so. On the y-axis. Only on the y-axis. That is not the y-axis. That is not the y-axis. Vertical. Vertical. Up, down. Keep doing that. Like, do it repeatedly. No, the camera. Move the camera, not your inputs. Like, press A or D or anything and just change vertically. Yeah, that. Dude. Okay. It's not that hard. I promise. It is. I swear. It's accessible. It is accessible. Yeah, see? It is good. It is good. Okay. Can you do me a favor now?
Yeah.
Do input there. Okay. Close the tab. Close the tab. And do input there times global bars dot stats ID acceleration.
Multiply times.
Global bars dot stats ID acceleration. As we did before.
Global vars.
Dot stat, dude. It's on line 28. You can just copy it.
Stats. And then ID.
Acceleration.
And then do it again.
Yeah, then run it. Test it. Don't select all your code.
I did that on accident.
Oh, be careful. And now move and do what I told you.
What am I supposed to take note of?
Weird. Okay, try just increasing the acceleration stat. From the global bars, remember? The dictionary we made? Or try
Yeah.
increasing the acceleration value to something like, I don't know, 3. Seems like a good number.
Why did we do this the whole time?
Dude, I don't know. I'm desperate now.
Yeah. Why did we do that the whole time? We wasted so much time.
Dude, I don't think we wasted more than 10 minutes. What is your concept of time? Does it work?
What?
Does it work? Does it adapt?
Yeah, it works.
No fucking way.
Yeah, it works. It's faster.
I mean, you can just adapt it even more and like change the acceleration if you want it. Like the thing I want to make sure of is, does it move the same speed no matter your Y rotation?
What?
Does it move at the same speed if you look up or down? Does it move the same speed? Because that's important.
I can't really tell because everything's the same color.
Well, try doing something where you add okay, press X. Okay, and try adding a world environment node.
How?
And the main scene, not in the plate.
Main scene.
Main scene. 3D view, and add a world environment. Press plus and add node environment. World environment. Search up world. That one. Okay, secret says environment and camera and all that. Do new environment. I've never done this before.
I can.
Click in environment. Click
Okay.
in environment.
Where?
Background. Clear color. Do sky. Dude. Is that what the sky looks in real life? Okay, do custom color maybe, and do blue. I feel so blue. Oh, thank God. Yippee! Yeah, that's a good color. Dude, but you didn't do nothing.
It's not any bad.
You didn't let me finish.
Oh. Oh, there was more?
Of course.
Okay.
Do ambient light.
Ambient light.
Do source. Sky. Color. White.
No?
Energy.
Oh.
No, don't run it yet. Energy, increase it.
By how much?
I don't know. Just keep it there. Reflected light. Don't touch that. Okay. Try it out now.
Wait.
Let's try. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, do source background instead of source sky. It's even worse somehow. Okay, do source sky instead.
Sorry. It is sky!
Okay, do source background then. What are you on about?
We're back. We're back. We're back in the fucking building. Hold up, I'm gonna be back really quickly. I'm gonna go check on my damn rice.
And you're what? Guess I'll never know.
I got my rice.
Oh, rice! I heard rice,
Oh my
and I was
homies
like,
love
what?
rice. You love rice? You fuck with it? This is an important question.
I'd say yeah, but well, look, here's the thing. I heard you say rights instead of rice, so to me it just sounded like you were gonna check on your rights. You know, like as a citizen, and that concerned me. Considering the state of like the United States of America right now, it wouldn't surprise me. But not ideal, I'd say.
That's
Can I have some rice?
fine. For now.
Can I have some rice? If I with the rice.
I'm sharing it to you in my hopes and dreams. In my mind, I'm sharing. And in my mind, I'm also lighting you up on fire as I crucify.
What?
Anywho. What now? So, I fucked up the light. How do I fix it? How do I make it not the same color?
Hold on, wait 1 sec. So COVID says glow.
Okay, so go to no
Glow.
globe code.
No, glow. To the right, inspector. No, glow.
Oh, glow. I thought you said globe.
Enabled. Do intensity and put it to the maximum. Strength to the maximum. Blue
I feel like you're gonna
to
blow.
the maximum.
No, you're crazy. You're gonna blow it up. You're gonna blow it up.
Okay, try it out.
You're gonna blow up my
It's gonna look like one
pasty.
of those NBA young boy videos, like rappers who can sing versus. It actually looks normal. Fuck. Okay,
Nothing changed.
Try adding a light node. Okay, close it. There's probably a light source node or something like that. Look up light in the node selector. Light.
Light.
No,
Spotlight.
Light.
Directional.
Yeah, spotlight.
I put directional.
That works too. Yeah, sure. Try it out.
What? Oh, you wanted me to try
Move
that.
it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. The upwards.
Up.
Okay, yeah. Try moving. If you stop giving me back shots, maybe you can discover if it works or not.
Okay, well, what now?
Check what I asked you to check.
What were you telling me to check?
If you move slower when the camera is looking up or down.
Okay, so it's moving right. How do I taste lavender? The fuck did I put in my mouth? I think I actually I didn't know. I have a deodorant cream nearby me, and I think I accidentally licked it. Oh. Ah. It tasted like lavender for a second. Now it's horrible.
This is what I'm teaching Godot to.
Ah. Not that bad. Alright, so... Is that faster? I can't...
Yeah.
It feels like it is going faster.
What is exactly going faster?
I think it is going faster. I can't tell. I think it is. Yes. Yes.
One second. Stay still. We're gonna do a test. Okay?
Okay.
You listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, you're gonna restart the game.
Yeah?
And what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go straight on. No moving the mouse, just go straight on. And see how long it takes to kill yourself. And then... afterwards, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do the same, but looking up. Afterwards, we're gonna do the same, but looking down. Okay? So we're gonna do normal, killing myself, and then killing myself, but looking down.
Like that. This makes me rise. I moved it. Fuck.
So you're just gonna see how long it takes. You're counting, right? You're
No.
counting. Dude! You're so... You didn't even warn me! How was I supposed to start counting? I would have started counting if you told me that you were... that you started! Dude! Fuck!
Okay, take
How
two.
am I supposed to guess?
Take two.
The fuck you mean take two?
Okay.
Are you counting now?
No, just start counting. Okay, 3.
1, 2, 1, go! 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Okay, it takes 4. Okay, now do the same, but looking down. Three, 2, 1, go! 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
I fucked it up.
3 Mississippi, 4. It takes the same.
No, I fucked it up because I started moving while you were counting.
And my screen, I counted correctly.
Let me redo that. Okay,
Okay,
ready?
3, 2, 1. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
You done.
1.
I thought we were doing
2.
it at go.
No! Who says go?
You
Go
said
is useless.
go.
I said go? Okay, yeah, because you're useless. Okay. Okay. We're trying again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. It takes 4. It's the same time.
No, really? Are we counting the time it falls? Because around 3 it did fall.
Dude, no, it didn't. It didn't. You're delusional. Try again.
I'm not delusional. You were delayed.
Kill yourself normally again. Do it again.
Stop saying it like that,
Do it
please.
normally. Do it with the normal camera rotation.
Stop saying it like that. Okay. Oh wait, you wanted it normal.
Yeah. Normal killing myself with no sprinkles, no nothing.
Stop.
3, 2, 1, go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. Takes the same time. Same time. I told you.
Stop.
What are you on? No, stop it. When we counting when it falls.
You good there?
No, I'm not.
UGT's classic crash out live on stream.
I've had worse.
It's not, but it's even funnier that you told me. You literally told me the other day, like saying, like, oh, I don't want to be on stream because I don't want to like put like a live crash out. But then we are agreeing that it's funnier.
I told you I didn't want to be on the stream because I'd have a live crash out, but I mean, you asked me nicely, so I said, sure, why not?
Plus, it's content.
I mean, yeah. Is this my first public appearance in like how long?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't appear in public.
The hell
that
were you
often.
here?
Like, I haven't been in public since last Verda Chaos Deadlock, and that was when it wasn't even called as Verda Chaos. And I don't count Discord as public appearances, so like YouTube and all that. Yes, this was the last one. This is the newest one, most recent.
Okay, so if nothing is different,
that means everything is good.
Okay, except the fact that I need to fix the spring arm code.
What
because it's unfinished. It's unfinished, so I can like literally let me show you what like.
Oh, you can do flips. Yeah, the flips. Yeah. Dude, stop! You're making me hungry. Stop.
Okay, you know.
You're acting like I don't say this often.
You don't.
I do.
Okay, now I gotta fix this.
Please tell me you had soundboard on.
I don't!
Turn it on.
Okay, fine. Give me like 3 seconds.
Tell me when you have it.
Stop. Wait. Screen. And then I gotta do it again. Stop. Okay, so if event is okay, then I gotta add okay, I get it. Rotation dot y equals
Do you like my sounds?
Yeah. Okay, now I just gotta.
Do a drum roll. Check this out. I was like, let me get my auto clicker.
No! Stop!
No. Don't mute its content.
Can you make it worse? Can you...
I'm giving you a round of applause. Hope you like that.
Sure.
The emojis are still popping up. Okay, they're gone. Okay, so just finish the code and anything else you want to do for today, or
I'm trying to fix. Hold up. It's saying it has an error.
kill it.
Expected end statement after expression found.
Found comma. Oh, it's because you're supposed to do. First off, you spelled it rotation. 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 And then it's supposed to be dot x, not comma x.
You gotta be shitting.
No, I'm not shitting, in fact.
Stop. Okay, I think I fixed it.
Should do it, right? Methinks.
Yes!
No, no, no! Stop! Not again. The 1,000th time today. Starting to get used to it, and I'm scared.
But I did the thing again because I fucking hate this 60% keyboard.
Dude, for next stream, please get a controller or something for your own good.
Wow. Man, what a good
Oh.
stream. How long did we do? Oh wow, it's like it's almost 3 hours.
I mean, yeah, that's a long stream.
Yeah, how much did we waste? How much was it wasting it?
The first half hour was probably wasted, and then I was gone for a few minutes. We were gone for a few minutes. I think we were productive, like, I'd say 2 hours at most.
Godot, am I right?
It's alright. 3D at least. I love Godot 3D though. I love that.
I love Godot. Now that makes us different. I love
my wife.
Yes, you do.
That is true.
So what now?
Last to leave is a rotten egg. I don't know. Don't actually do that.
You got something. You got end it like with like the most concerning quote you can ever say, and then I'll cut it off.
Okay. Let me think. Hey, does anyone know what the credit card numbers in the back are? Because mine are like 156